Now I be looking like a grown woman. It's not too bad, y'all. It's not too bad. If I can just hide this part. And once I like try and do baby hairs, I mean... If y'all don't understand the struggle I've been going through with deleting stuff out of my phone so I can record this video. I have a camera, but it's just so much easier to edit videos and stuff on my phone. Use the camera and it's just a lot of work. If this cut off again, I'm gonna use the camera. But hey y'all. Hey my loves, it's your girl E-Ray, aka Designs by E-Ray. Today is not a clothing transformation video, but today we're gonna be... I'm weak, y'all. How am I over the video and the video just started? Like, that week old intro, like, hey y'all, it's your girl E-Ray, like, over it. Putting on this wig, and hopefully I do it right. Excuse my room, it's a mess. Excuse my appearance, it's a mess. Yeah, this is the wig I want to put on. I've already worn it, but I love it so much, y'all. Like, I think it's free part. Like, it's not, you can part it either way. I've been seeing a lot of videos of just beginner friendly, like installing it. I think that's the word for the term, correct term. But I want to like glue it on and put it on properly because I've been wearing it, but I've just been throwing a headband over it to make it look like a headband wig, and it's not, and I really like it. So I got that at my local beauty supply store like weeks ago, but today I went to the store to pick up some things I might need for this video and some stuff I really don't need, but it's fine, it's okay. I got this for $14.99, y'all. I thought it was a good deal. I'm gonna curl the wig and make it look all pretty and stuff because I've been wearing it. I think I need to like brush it out and you know, make it look good again. Keep it up because I just got that not too long ago. I'm going to be using this spray to hold it down. I don't really know a good brand for, like, this is my first time putting on a wig, so I seen this, it say extra hold, so we're gonna hope that... I didn't want to use like glue. I think I like spray better for some reason. I really don't know what I like, but we're gonna see. I got a bonnet. I really don't even need this bonnet. Yeah, I know I make bonnets, but sometimes you just don't want to make stuff and you just want to buy it. Like, people tell me all the time, why you buy it and you could have just made it? But it's like, yeah, I could have made it, but I don't have time sometimes to be making everything. But this is cute. It ain't that jumbo. Ooh, I like this. This is cute. I like. What else did I get for this video? Bought one of these. I seen somebody using it in the videos I've been watching, where everybody really uses like some type of utensil like this to cut the lace. So we're using this. Yeah, and then what else I get? If my camera cut off one more time, I'm gonna lose it. So y'all, at this point, excuse my voice, but at this point, my camera done cut off like 5 times due to not having storage. So I just had to figure out, I need to use my camera, but y'all, I really didn't want to because it's so much easier to record on my phone. But yeah, it was like the 10th time of my of it just stopping. Like, I was so over it at this point. But continue watching. Alright, so I'm not trying to make this video too long, but I kind of just braided my hair to the back, nothing fancy. I kind of did it kind of quick, so it's not perfect at all. One thing I did forget to mention is me a little cop here. All right, y'all. I've been through the most trying to record this video, so we gonna really hope that this video turns out the way I planned. So I've already put my cap on, I've cut my ears. I'm trying to watch a video while I'm doing it and look in the mirror here. So what I'm about to do is, I think next I'm gonna mute this, but I think next she sprays her cap. Hold on, I'm trying to see. Yeah, she sprays the cap and then she uses a dryer to make it dry. So we're gonna do that. I tried to push back my baby hairs because I don't want it showing, but I don't want, my worst fear is putting on a wig and my baby hairs get snatched off or something, like because of the glue or the spray or whatever the case may be. But y'all wish me luck. Okay, so hold on, I think I'm supposed to shake it first. I'm scared. I'm really scared. I don't know why. I just don't want it to mess up my hairline or whatever. So she sprayed it. I'm gonna look in the mirror. All right, y'all, I sprayed my hair, and so I'm gonna use the blow dryer to just dry it, and then I'm gonna cut. I hope I'm doing this right. It's not gonna look right. It really don't. I'm trying to look in the mirror and I'm trying to pull it away from, I feel like I have it too far down. Is that the case? I don't want it on my hair. I'm trying to look at hers and see, but I guess it just depends on your hairline and stuff. All right, I'm going to dry it real quick. I have it too far down, so she cuts it like this, and then she just cuts it like just, I'm sorry y'all, I'm trying to look in the mirror. All right, y'all, I've cut the lace or whatever. I feel like I could have went more, like, I don't think that's supposed to be showing, but I think it's okay for my first try. In this video I'm watching, she's using some makeup. All right, y'all, we back for like the 10th time. I deleted almost everything out my freaking phone to do this video, so it better come out right because I'm getting irritated. Okay. At this point, we have put makeup on the cap. We have used, I'm only using spray. In a lot of the videos, people are using glue. I really don't want to use glue. That's why I got the spray. I thought the spray would replace the glue, me using the glue, if that makes sense. I don't know. We're winging it. So this the wig, like I showed y'all before. It kind of look a mess, but it's okay. I had already cut the wig, like I said, prior to wearing this before, so hopefully I do this right. I don't even know what I'm doing, bro. I don't know what I'm doing.
Bro, yeah. It's only my 3rd day out here. I don't know.
Yo. Trying to make sure everything is on. Trying to use the clips. What are the clips for? Are you supposed to use them or what? I know that's why I use headband wigs, y'all, because this is too much. For the girls that do wigs and make them, God bless y'all, because this is just. And now I think my thing is too forward, ain't it? Ain't it too forward? Like my cap. Roar. This about to be some mess. I don't even know. That's what the wig look like. Oh my God, bro. Alright, y'all, I had to hold my stand on my phone charging, but I tried. I don't think it looks the best. I put this on to like let it dry or whatever, but I think next time I attempt to glue down a wig, I'm gonna use actual glue and not just spray. I feel like spray is just a little messier, and it just makes more sense to use the glue now that I've done it. But you can, I mean, I've looked up videos of just using the spray, but it's messy, and yeah, so, and it leaves like white residue too, so just have to be careful with that. But let's see what it looks like. Okay, y'all. Don't laugh at me, don't laugh at me. I feel like I just need to cut some of the lace and we're gonna be good for real. Like, well, if I just kind of hide that, like, but if I just cut some of the lace, I'm sorry, I'm trying to charge my phone and record at the same time. If I can cut some of the lace off, I think we're gonna be okay for our first time. You feel what I'm saying? Like, it's not gonna be perfect, but definitely can see, like, what the fuck going on. Yeah, I just need to cut some of the lace off and we should be okay. I'm gonna do that and come back on camera. Okay, y'all, I tried to cut most of like my cap, and it's not perfect by any means. Like, it's definitely a little crazy over here. I might use like an alcohol wipe and kind of clean it up. And if I attempt to do this again, I'm going to not cut the lace before putting this on, because I think that was kind of hard too, trying to put like where it's supposed to go. But, and also, y'all, I didn't add makeup. I didn't apply makeup to the wig, like the lace part. I did to my cap but not the lace, so I think I'm gonna do that next time, because I think that's gonna help blend, you know, where you can see the lace at. But we're learning, we're trying. It's fine, it's fine. I mean, for the most part, I think it looks pretty good. I just really need to like flat iron it. I'm gonna curl it with the curling iron I bought. I don't know if I have a flat iron here. Cause I don't really put heat on my natural hair that much. But if I have a flat iron, I'll flat iron it or whatever. But I'm definitely gonna curl it for sure. Let me try and rotate the camera just so y'all get a better look of it. Yeah, this is it. Where my brush at? I got a brush. Where is my brush? I really don't know if I should like, if it should be pushed back some more. Like, I feel like it's too, I don't know. I'm gonna try and do baby hairs though. But it's really pretty. Like, I really like it. I feel like it looks really natural. But for the most part that I attempted to do, it looks natural. Just gets, only thing I don't like about it is because, you know, it's from the Beauty Supply store, so I'm not really knowledgeable with, you know, wigs or whatever, but I feel like it just kind of gets tangled easily. But I mean, other than that, like, I think it's a pretty good wig. I think I got one of these wigs for free actually, because it was like buy one get one free. And this is the final look. Thank y'all so much for watching.